Welcome! This video will show you how to request a permit extension or permit completion with the City of Miami. If you have an open project and you're running out of time to finish the work, we'll walk you through the options available to you. Depending on the status of your permit, you may be able to request a permit extension, or you may need a permit completion. A permit extension is only available if your permit is still active. If your permit has already expired, you'll need to request a permit completion instead. Let's start with permit extensions. An extension can be requested through iBuild, no matter the cost of your project. Once your extension is approved, you'll receive 180 days from the date of the request to complete all required work and finalize all required inspections. To request a permit extension in iBuild, follow these steps. Step 1. Log in to iBuild. Step 2. Go to the Manage Permit tab and choose Extend Permit from the drop-down options. Step 3. Enter your permit number and search. Confirm that all of your permit information is correct, then click Next. Step 4. Complete your payment. Be sure to download your payment receipt and confirmation. This is your proof that the permit has been officially extended. After your extension is approved, remember to finish your work and schedule all required inspections within those 180 days. For written instructions and additional details, visit miami.gov and search for Request a Permit Extension or Completion. Now, let's look at the second option, Permit Completion. This is used for permits that are no longer active. If your permit has expired and you haven't finished the work, you'll need to request a permit completion. The process depends on the cost of your project, so we'll break it into two paths. If your project is $10,000 or less, you can request a permit completion through iBuild. Here's how. Step 1. Log in to iBuild. Step 2. In the Manage Permit tab, select Complete Permit from the drop-down options. Step 3. Enter your permit number, search, and confirm your permit information. Then click Next. Step 4. Complete your payment and download your payment receipt and confirmation. Keep this as proof that your permit completion request has been processed. If your project exceeds $10,001, your permit completion request must be reviewed and approved by the chief for that specific trade, and the documents must be submitted by email to the City of Miami. To begin, visit miami.gov and type Permit Completion in the search bar. Select the Request a Permit Extension or Completion page. At the bottom of that page, you'll find a link to the paper application, which you'll need to complete manually. On the paper application, make sure you select Completion Permit in the Change to Existing Permit section. Once the application is filled out, it must be signed by the contractor, notarized, and submitted in PDF format by email to the address listed on the website. If the contractor is no longer available, both the property owner and the new contractor must sign, and the Change of Contractor box should be checked. After you email your completed application, you'll receive a message from the City of Miami with a link to pay the required fees. Once your fees are paid, the permit expiration date will update automatically, and you'll have 180 days from the date of payment to complete all remaining work and finalize all required inspections. Requesting a permit extension or completion with the City of Miami helps keep your project moving and your permit in compliance. For written instructions and additional details, visit miami.gov and search for Request a Permit Extension or Completion.